Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we're looking at the Airfix de Havilland Chipmunk, kit number 01054. The original tooling dates back to 1969, but this particular boxing comes from 1996, so almost 30 years later and still going strong. Straight away the first sprue gives us a surprise, an absolutely massive piece of flash. Easily the biggest we've seen so far, but luckily it doesn't affect any of the actual parts. Once you look past that, everything else is pretty clean and should build up nicely. And if you want a little history, the Chipmunk itself flew in 1946, designed and built in Canada as a replacement for the Tiger Moth. The RAF placed its first order in 1949, and the type went on to serve with university air squadrons, reserve flying schools, and even the Army Air Corps. Reliable, rugged, and easy to fly, the Chipmunk struck around for decades, only finally leaving RAF service in the mid-1990s. One thing that really stands out is the clear parts. For a kit this size they're pretty big and they're all on a nice square sprue. No cracks and no scratches, which is always a relief to see, especially with vintage kits like this. The decals look brand new, even after all this time. And you've got 3 schemes to choose from, which gives you some flexibility depending on which look you want to go for. Now for the real star of the box. It's this pamphlet from the 1990s advertising the chance to join the coolest club in town. 2 lads on the front, absolutely buzzing with their Airfix club membership, and all for just $6.99 back in the day. Bargain. Nostalgia at its finest. So there you have it, a clean little kit, some lovely extras, and a slice of modelling history. Would you build the Chipmunk? Let us know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this retro unboxing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more kits and more nostalgia.